Thank you for popping in. And like we all know, Affinity has been doing things on the net in the creative world. So here's something that I was actually struggling with a bit, and I figured it out. And I was like, hey, why not share with everyone uh, who's actually still using XD? Yeah, I'm one of those. Yeah, even though XD has been out of commission for some time, I've still been using it, and I just thought it's time to shift. It's actually time to jump. And the best way to export your files that you can still use them, as you can see, this is an open file. It's a, what is this, XD file. I've got all these rainbows in separate layers, grouped, and as you can see, you can work on them. You can do whatever you want to do on these. I've got drop shadows, as it's your normal XD file that you had, and you want to move it into Affinity. So simple thing, just Command E, export into your folder as an SVG file. Just have it embedded. Parts, no, just leave it as embedded and leave it as it is. And that's at export. Replace, oh, because I have one there. Replace it, then go over to Affinity, or actually to your file, and which is this one. Open with Affinity default. That's what's gonna show, and then you're gonna lose your minds, like, oh my goodness, what happened? Relax, relax, relax. So it's better than what the bot would actually say you would do, because it would tell you that you can't do this from XD. You can only export from AI files and other things and PDF. So you would need to export the Adobe file into PDF and then only bring it here. But then you won't be able to manipulate the PDF. So just export it as an SVG and then open it in Affinity. The only thing that's going to change is your fonts and your JPEGs or PNGs. So that's a simple thing. Just change. So this was extra bold. Let's just double check. Come on. This is extra, yeah, extra bold. Actually, let's see if it still kept the same. Hey, what happened here? Extra bold. Let's see if it's, yeah, 182. So it still kept the same font size. So that's cool. So also this is bold, extra bold. Extra bold. So now let's go get our pictures. So I've got the Affinity logo and the XD logo, and I can select both of them, open both of them with Affinity. There they are. Where's the other one? Do I just have one? Oh, it didn't. It did not approve of my skills. Don't say, but it did. Really? Yeah, it didn't. Okay. It was like, why are you doing this to me? So let's go open this one. So obviously, if you have a bit more images, you're gonna do this more than just twice. That's fine. It's still better than recreating your whole art piece here. You see, it is really still better than you recreating. I did actually mess up my. And then, yeah, that's what I had. And then let's go get the XD logo, Affinity logo. So just copy this and paste. So copy, it's Apple, what, Command C, Command V, and then on PC it's Control V, Control C, copy and paste. Copy C, paste this V. So let's paste this, Command V, bring it where it was. It seems like it was still that size. But you, as you can see, now let's go here and see if we can fix this guy here that we messed up. Where's my node? Nope, that's not the one. Is this the one? No, that's not the one. So it's this one, right? Yes, it's this one. Yes, so it was something like that. So whatever that you can do there, you can, ooh, it's just a bit more intricate. Okay, yeah, so whatever that you can do that side, you can do here. And obviously, as you can see, you've got more nodes, more parts, yeah, more nodes. I think there's a way where you can clean that up. There has to be a way where you can clean that up. These are your, you can convert it to smooth, convert to smart, convert to sharp. You can just play around. But as you can see, you still have a lot of control over your colors. We can have that as a pink light. We can have the, actually not this, actually forgot what you call that. You can have it yellow and increase the point to maybe, let's say 5, so that it pops more. There it is. You can play around with it as if you know you are still in XD, and you will still be able to export this into another SVG, PNG, or JPEG, as we are going to do. You can still, let's type. Where's my typing? Okay, there's my type. So let's say, yay, we have XD files in Affinity now. So you can type, it's still the same, everything is the same, and it took like, it wouldn't take you the entire day for you to recreate a file in Affinity from XD. So that's it, folks. Please, if you like this information, if this helped you, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, I only have at the moment, I think maybe 3-4 subscribers. Yeah, we all start somewhere, and this is my starting point, but let's carry on with the love. God bless you. Bye.